Hello and welcome back to this tutorial series. So on our last tutorial we were able to create our first Django project. So on this one we will be creating our first application. So in Django there are application, the whole project is called a web application, but there are smaller application inside that do specific functions, like say registration. There's an application that can handle registration, another thing can handle. So these small applications that are inside our main project, so let's create it. So we are going to use the manage.py. Like I said, we're going to use it a lot of time. Let's confirm that I'm in the correct directory. So let's cd here this ls. So we are going to say python manage.py start app, then you give it the name. Let's say you want to call it your first app, first underscore app. So it's going to do the magic. So our first app has been created, see here on the folders, and it has also its own files. So there's views, test.py, models.py, app.py, admin.py, and init. So I'll explain shortly the files. So init.py is also telling the Django that this folder can be used as a package. Admin.py is used to register your Django models so that they can appear on the Django admin panel. Then apps.py is used for configuration of that specific app if you want to configure it. Then there's models.py, which is used to create your models, data models. It interacts with the database. Then there's test.py. Test.py is used to test your test function for the application here. Views.py is used to send and receive response. It responds to responses. So now that we are clear with that, oh yeah, there's also migration folder. So when you interact with the database through migrations, the changes will be updated on the migration folder. So the next thing we're going to do is let's first tell Django that the first app exists. So we are going to go to our setting.py file, go to installed apps. So in installed apps, add your app name. So mine is called first underscore app, then add this comma. So we are good. We have told Django that first underscore app exists. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create we want to create our first page so that we can URL so that we can send some data to test if our first underscore app is working. So we are going to just send a response like hello world. So let's create our view first. So I'm going to import from Django.http import http response. Then I'm going to create a function here, def index. It's going to take in request. Then it should return http response. Give it our response. For mine, I want to say it hello world. So that's our function. So it takes in request and returns a response. So the function is going to be used in the URLs. So in the URLs, so let's create our URL. So we're going to the urls.py files and create the URLs. So here we create our, let's add our URL here, path. So we just want to go to the home, so we'll just leave it empty, comma. So let's import the view first so that we can use it here. So let's import from the views are in the first underscore app application. So let's import from first app, import views. So then we use the function that is in the view, that's the index function that we created. So here we tell it views dot index. It should use views dot index. Let's get a comma here. Let's test our application if it's running now. Python manage.py run server. So it's running. So let's click this, control click. So as you can see that if you have managed successful to request for this URL home, and you got the response hello world. So on the coming lectures we'll be sending templates now, HTML templates, full coded HTML templates, but for now, for the purpose of you seeing this, you are just sending a response, HTTP response. So we created views and URLs, but in the next lecture I want to show you how to have better URLs, organized and professional URLs. So for now, I think I'll leave it there, but let's catch up on the next lecture. Thank you.